So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on your iPhone notes. So starting off, to do that you will first need to check on your notes system as well. So if you open up your notes, you can see that right now the bright mode is enabled. So if you want to change it, you need to do it within your entire system. So you can keep dark mode you can keep the system dark mode, and that is automatically going to switch up on your notes as well. So once you open up your iPhone settings, you can then tap on display and brightness. So getting to your display and brightness right here, you can see light and dark. If you switch to dark, it's going to look something like this. And you can see that you can also switch to automatic, so you don't have to switch it every time you require brighter or darker features of your display. So after that, if you open up notes, you can see it follows suit. So it's the dark mode version of notes after that, so you can access it through there. You can create new notes, you can start typing in. It's going to be within dark mode as well, so you don't have to change within the app. You will actually need to change the entire system, then the app will follow suit. So your dark mode within your system settings is going to also enable dark mode within your note settings. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone notes or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.